make a big start out of me. And all I gotta do is act naturally.
So on Thursday, when you had your procedure, you signed some documents. And I don't know if you remember or not.
I don't remember hardly anything.
Well, here's something that I had you sign. It covers a lot. You can read it later. Yep. I really like this one right here. Yeah, you can read it later. I just wanted to let you know about it. Because, you know, it might come in handy, like, during this video at some point.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Cheers, I love you.
Cheers, I love you.
Good morning, everyone. Oh, my goodness.
Hi.
Doesn't he sound lovely?
I sound as lovely as I look.
Okay, it's crazy how he is feeling. He had a procedure on Thursday.
Just say what it was.
One that he does not have anything to do with his throat. The other end. So, I don't know what they did to him in there. I don't. Because he felt horrible all that afternoon, which he did the last time too. And then he felt horrible all day yesterday. And at one point you thought you were starting to feel better, but you really weren't. And as the day grew longer, your throat and cough and everything got worse.
It's down in my chest. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was because of the oxygen they put in.
Yeah.
That oxygen was like ice cold breathing in.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
That has to be what it is. I did look up some stuff about it, and it is kind of like you get, it's like rhino something, whatever, you know, anything to do with your nose is called rhino whatever, like rhinoplasty when you have
Rhinoceros? I've got a rhinoceros.
You got a rhinoceros in there. Some people get frogs in their throat. You got a rhinoceros. Oh, but he just, and then just even waking up this morning, it took you a while to get moving, just don't feel well. And we have a peanut gallery going on over here.
Basically, all I remember is you making toast for me in the hospital.
I did not make toast for you there. I made toast for you after we got home. He says, but I remember you asking them if you could use their kitchen. And I was like, no, I make toast here for you. So,
okay.
Anyway, he's not feeling well. I'll do most of the talking as usual, right?
Notice the surprise look on my
normal.
face.
That's normal. So I have a quote. It's a very good quote. So today being Saturday, August 2nd, woohoo! August birthdays are the best. We do not have to share our month with any holiday. Just our birthdays. August are the best. My baby sister, her birthday is 3 days before mine. Many years later, but
it's a birthday month.
it is. Woohoo! My son's birthday is the same month too. So Wendy's birthday, my birthday, and my son's birthday are all in the same week. Yep. Anyway,
Don't we have other birthdays?
we do have another birthday. We do. Coming up on August 5th, just in 3 more days, it's Hunky Winkerbean's birthday. Okay. Who is that?
Who's Hunker Winker Beanie?
That's a very special nickname. You know when we asked you if you called your significant other names like Honey, Baby? Well, Hunky Winkerbean is Rick Vance's nickname from his lovely wife, Mona. So happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Hunky.
I can't wait till we meet you guys. We're looking forward to that so much.
Oh.
Last Saturday after we chatted with you, you did video steps as usual. And I've been working on family photo albums, have a bunch of pictures that I'm going to scan into the computer eventually, but I'm trying to get them organized. So sorting them all out, and I'm sticking them in photo albums and like photo sleeves in a binder. So it's kind of fun looking back through those, and I love it. And then I cleaned out a couple of my dresser drawers. We have a dresser with 4 drawers, and he has 2 and I have 2. And I was sick and tired of the drawers getting jammed, and so I pulled everything out and redid them, got rid of a couple things. But it was a wonderful weather day. It was cloudy and rainy. I loved it. That's why I got into the cleaning, organizing mood.
And cooler temps.
Yeah, that's always wonderful too. So, then Sunday was pack-up day because we were going to reset on Monday, and we watched baseball. Of course, it's baseball season, so anytime there's a game, we're watching it. Good, bad, or indifferent, we're watching it. Still rooting for those Cardinals. Monday was reset day. Monday was reset day. So we took care of that, and you backed in perfect first try.
Missed it by about a ½ inch.
That's pretty dang perfect. So why we say that is because we try to get exactly in the same spot on our pads, back the same amount, because we know we're level. So we have a great little app on our phone, and that's been pretty fun using it. And it's been helping. We still use our regular big long level that we use on the back window and inside the front door.
The Beach Lane RV Leveler.
Yes, we love it. They sent it to us to try, and we have been loving it. So it's great because when Tom is adjusting the front, he can look at his app on the phone and see that we're getting close so that we're level, and I'll keep watching it on the regular level on our floor. And it's been great having that. So that's a cool little gadget. But so that made it easier instead of having to go forward and backwards. And our brother-in-law Kevin has really made it a lot easier because he's cleared out more of the hill behind us, and we're able to come at like a straight angle off the driveway instead of having to come and curve in.
You said straight angle.
Straight angle at a straight angle. Yeah. You know, that. That's
Is there
straight
such
angle.
a thing as a straight angle?
I don't know. Let us
If
know in the
it's-
comments.
If it's an angle,
I'm sure we have someone that is an expert on that thing. Maybe Don, because he's an engineer. So.
I guess it would be straight at an angle.
Oh, all right. I haven't had enough of this. Excuse me a moment.
And no, I'm not taking any drugs.
Not really.
Just residual.
You're still trying to come off of those drugs. Good grief. We want to thank everybody for being here today and watching and enjoying a Saturday morning with us. If you are new here, please subscribe and click the bell so that you will know when we put out a new episode, in case you are not paying attention to what days we put our episodes out. On Wednesday, a throwback Wednesday.
Well, the last one was a goodie, ain't it?
Yeah. Brownie batter. Yum, yum. Yes. So, thank you guys for being here. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Answer our question. If you, what was my question I just had? I forgot already.
I don't know.
Whatever I just asked. You'll remember. I don't remember, but. On Tuesday, I worked and did laundry. After reset day, we kind of do other resets too, like the laundry and all that. Wednesday, you were working on some video stuff. You've been compiling throwbacks, and so he's been doing a lot of research going back through our old videos and stuff. And speaking of the video that you put up on Wednesday, go to page 10. Subparagraph C, I think it is. And pay attention to that. There will be no more Lori not paying attention to what you're filming videos. Yeah, you signed that, so you can't do that to me anymore. Don suggested that. Thank you, Don.
Don suggested that.
Well, in a way. That's how I interpreted what he said.
Cowboy Biker Adventures.
He's my buddy. Come on, you know that. You know that.
Thanks a lot.
I did some cleaning in the bedroom. My vanity next
I don't remember signing any of that.
It's okay. It's your signature. It's your signature.
Every page has my initials on it.
Initialed and then a big signature on the very back page, yes. I cleaned off my vanity because we were going to have to switch sides of the bed because my side of the bed is closer to the bathroom and he was going to be needing it a lot. And I didn't need him climbing over me every 5 seconds.
Hey,
So I made sure that my vanity was all cleared off. So
we're
that he
letting you
could-
know this is real. Okay?
It's real life. You still have to do these things, whether you're living in an RV full time or not. You still have medical things you have to take care of. So it was your prep day and broth only day. So I did to you what they did to me in the hospital last year. Is you got vegetable broth for breakfast.
Yep.
You got beef broth for lunch.
Oh, yummy.
And you got chicken broth for supper.
Oh, yummy.
And just broth, no crackers.
And then it has to stop.
And then, and then it stops. And then you get to drink a gallon.
Was it 1 gallon?
It's 1 gallon. So you do half of the gallon. It's 8 ounces every 15 minutes, 8 times. So over a couple of hours, you have to drink. And we mixed apple juice with the mixture.
Yeah.
And that's what the gal at the
They said it was okay to
at
do
the-
that.
Yeah, they told us to do that so that it would be easier for you to drink. I don't know if it was easier for you to drink or not. I sit there and I'm like constantly drinking water. 99% of the time it's water or tea, but mostly water. I'm constantly drinking water. He does not. I have to force him to drink water. He'll start saying he has a headache and it's like, you're dehydrated. Drink some water. I'm not thirsty. I don't care. Drink some water. Or drink something. So it's very hard for him to consume that much liquid in that short of a time. And it was just really difficult. And then you got a little bit of a break from drinking, but then you were busy.
Yeah.
Busy up and down, up and down, up and down. We tried to get some sleep, but it wouldn't work because neither one of us could go to sleep.
Basically, we were up all night Wednesday night. Because you
night.
have to start the whole regimen over again with
At
drinking
1 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock in the morning up until 4. Then after 4 a.m. there's nothing. Of course, we don't need to be telling you all the details.
Sure we do.
Okay.
So that they can understand how horrible it
I
was
suppose
for
I
you.
signed that too.
You did. Whatever Lori says goes. It's in there. Yeah. So we had no sleep that night. He got up at 1 o'clock in the morning doing it again. He could not finish the solution.
Hey, I
at
did
all.
good.
You did very well. I was very proud of you, but it came a time
Even-
when it
even-
was coming out of his nose.
Even when we
That's probably what's wrong with you.
even when we got to the place, I call it the hospital, it wasn't a real hospital.
Yeah.
Even when we got there, they asked me, 3 different people asked, because this is before, I do remember that. How much of it did you drink? Did you drink it all? I went, no. How much did you drink? And I said, 95%. She goes, oh, that's pretty good. Next person said, how much did you drink? I went, about 90%. And then the doctor comes in, he goes, so you didn't finish it? And I said, no, I drank about 80%.
Oh, God. You drank more than that. There was maybe 2 or 3. You had a little bit left in your cup from one of the servings that you didn't, and then there were maybe 2 more that you did not finish.
When you're so full and you're bloated, it's
He
like I
just
can't put any
couldn't.
more in.
He just couldn't put any more in.
And I wasn't really worried about it because at that point, there wasn't much coming out.
Well, that's good, because the last time
Well,
he had to go home and start over again because he wasn't ready. Yeah, and that was no fun. So this time he was like, I'm not doing that again. If they come out and say, I have to come back tomorrow, I'm not coming back tomorrow. Whew, it worked.
Hey,
And then he comes back all sick.
everything came out okay except for this.
Yeah, it's like
Whatever this is.
He went in perfectly healthy and came back a sicko. So,
I'm a sicko.
the sicko. He's a sicko. So yesterday, you still did not feel well all day. We just kind of sat around. I just stayed close in case you needed anything.
My body feels like I have or had the flu.
Yeah.
Aches, not aches and pains, just ache. achy.
When you came home, you were freezing to death. You
So,
had 3 blankets
we
on you.
We don't know what caused it.
I
if
don't
it
know.
was the oxygen,
Yeah, it's never affected you that way before.
but
It's just been bad. He still feels crappy. But, yeah, I don't know what they did to you, but they did more to you than
yeah.
what they said. They're not telling. And then you found these marks on your side, and it's like,
Yes.
what the heck?
I got marks over here. I'm like, what is this?
I was over with my grandpuppy Lola yesterday, and Tom's like, what is this? He took a picture and sent it to me, and I went, what did they do to you yesterday? It was actually just sticky stuff from some kind of monitor they must have had on him. But,
Oh, I have a tattoo.
oh, yeah.
Want to see it?
No, you don't. We wouldn't be able to. I'd have to get out your little scope thing.
This one is in a real place that you just can't. No, you don't want to see it.
No, you can't see it. No.
But it's a tattoo.
You've had one since the last time.
I didn't know that.
I know. Oh, yeah, you're never going to get a tattoo. Ha ha, you have a tattoo. Na, 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 na.
I wonder if that's why, what the old saying is, I was crying on the inside.
You were?
I must have been if that's where it is.
There you go. There you go. All righty. Well, we need to go because Sicko here needs to get back in. I need to make him a hot breakfast, and hopefully he feels better today. I don't like this.
I don't either.
Poor baby.
This is no fun.
It's no fun when you're not feeling good or the person you love the mostest isn't feeling good. So, yeah, you can read that later. I'm going to go help RJ with his yard. And then you can read that and I won't be here. All right, everybody. You have a fantastic week.
What?
See ya. See ya.
Take your banner and raise